5 steps to making a door in AutoCAD. Step 1. Create an opening in the wall. We are going to create openings of 900 mm, 3 feet, wide for our doors in these 3 locations. Starting with the first opening, type EX on your keyboard to extend our wall line. You can as well use the Extend command under the Home tab in the Modify category group. Type O to launch the Offset command. Specify the offset distance. In our case, it's 900 mm or 3 feet. Type TR on your keyboard to trim. Press the Escape key on your keyboard to exit the command. Click on the unwanted line and hit Delete on your keyboard. Repeat the same procedures to create openings in the other 2 doors. Step 2. Create the door. We are going to create a 900 mm wide door, so we'll need to draw a circle of 900 mm radius. Type C on your keyboard and hit Enter to launch the Circle command. You can as well launch the Circle command on the Home tab in the Draw category group. Specify the radius distance by typing it on your computer keyboard and pressing Enter. Launch the Line command by pressing L on your keyboard and hitting Enter. Draw a horizontal line from the circumference of the circle to the center of the circle. Continue the line vertically from the center of the circle to the circumference. Hit the Escape key or spacebar to exit the command. Launch the Trim command and erase the unwanted part of the circle as seen. Launch the Offset command once again and enter 25 mm as the distance and offset the vertical line inward. Trim out the bottom horizontal line. Highlight the 2 vertical lines and change the line weight to 0.3 mm. Line weight is located in the Properties category group under the Home tab. Change the color to your desired color as seen. Step 3. Group the door. We need to group the lines making the door so that it remains organized. Highlight the entire drawing of the door. Right-click on it and click Group. Step 4. Flip or rotate the door appropriately. We'll need to copy the door we just created to the various door openings. Highlight, type CO on your keyboard and press the Enter key to copy. To flip, select the door. Type MI on your keyboard and press the Enter key to activate the Mirror command. Click anywhere on the door and rotate to your desired position and click. Type Y on your keyboard and press the Enter key when prompted to delete the source object. Repeat the same procedure for the remaining doors. In this case, we'll need to use the Rotate command shortcut RO. It can also be located in the Modify category group under the Home tab and not the Mirror command. Rotate the door to your desired position and click to place it. Step 5. Move or copy the door and place it in place. To move the door in place, select the door. Type M on your keyboard. Click on your desired base point on the door and move it to the desired location, and click to place it. Repeat the same for the remaining doors. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share and comment. Bye.